Good morning everyone. Today we learned the grammar articles. So this lesson also we completed this one. See I revised this one articles. So what is mean by articles? Everyone knows that one a, an or a and the or the is the articles. है ना? We use the words a or an or the before nouns. Okay, noun का पहले we use it a and the is the article. Okay, see they are called a article. See the examples. I met a little girl. Okay, I met a little girl. So here is a what article? I met a little girl. And a and an is used always in a countable nouns. Okay, we use in a countable. Uncountable nouns में हम लोग use नहीं करेगा. Means I met a little girl में एक लड़की को देखा है, ज़्यादा को नहीं देखा है. Okay, and we not use a water, we not use a coffee, we not use a sun, and we not use a rice flour. Okay, we always use in a countable nouns. Okay, article is we always use in a countable nouns. हम लोग को गिनती कर सकता है. Okay, so that I met a little girl. See the next one. She had an apple. Okay, she had an apple. Next one. The sun is shining brightly. So we use a, an and the. Okay, these are the articles. See, so always we write here in a countable nouns we use articles. For example, see the example. A cow means a cow, and a duck, a pen. Okay, a is used in a hut, a girl, a student. Okay, these are the countable one, and we use a student, a cow, a duck, a pen, her. Okay, these are the we use in a. Okay, I have a pen, comma, a book. Okay, I have a pen and a book. Clear? And कुछ भी, and a eraser. Okay, we said we use article in a countable nouns. Okay, see, so a is over. The next one is this one is the an. So where the an is used, the an is used before the vowels. Where we use the an is used before the vowels. See, what are the vowel sounds? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, before the vowels we use an. For example, A, an apple. Okay, E, an elephant. Not so apple. Apple nahi, an apple. Or elephant. Okay, then an ink. Okay, O, an orange. An umbrella. See the words. These nouns are starting with a E, I, O. That are vowels. Okay, these are start with a vowels. So an apple. So an is used before vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, A, E, I, O, U, that are the vowels. Okay, see the examples. An apple. The apple is start from the letter A. So A, E, an apple. Elephant, ink or ice cream, orange or ox, and umbrella. Okay, these are the words, these are the nouns. Start with the vowels. Apple. So in a vowel sound, in a vowel nouns, we use, before vowels nouns we use an, the article an. Okay, and is also used in a countable nouns. Okay, see the next one, the. And we learned the a and the. Yes, the is used where it is used before the things that are one kind or unique. Before the things that are one kind, or unique, एक ही है, or unique place, unique, it is only a one kind, पूरा world में only one. Okay, that is that place we that nouns before we use the. Okay, for example, the sun, the earth, the moon, these are only one kind. Okay, so we use before this one the sun, the moon, and the earth. Okay, okay, only one kind. Clear? Okay, see the next one. And the before the uses of the then before the names of a place or things we all know about. हम लोग the name of a mountains, that is the name of a mountains. Okay, before the name of the is used before the name of a mountains. For example, the Himalaya, the Alps, the Mount Everest. Okay, the Mount Everest. Okay, and clear, the Mount Everest, the Himalaya, the Alps, etc. And the next one is before the name of a rivers. Okay, before the name of a rivers. What are the rivers? We know that here we have the Narmada river, the Narmada river, then the Nile, the longest river, the Nile, and the Tapi. Okay, these are the rivers, the name of a rivers. Okay, and the next one is so the mountain's name, the river's name. Next one, seas or ocean. Seas or oceans. Okay, we have the Arabian Sea. The Arabian Sea. Okay, the Arabian Sea. The next one, the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean. Okay, and the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. Okay, so we use the name, the is used before the name of a seas or oceans. And the next one is monuments. Okay, monuments, and the is used before the name of a monuments. What are the monuments? Suppose here it is the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal. Okay, the Taj Mahal and the Qutub Minar. So we use there is before the name of a monuments. Okay, one kind, but that is the is used first. We learned the before the name, before the one kind or unit, means the sun, the earth, the moon, etc. And the before the name of a river, before the name of a mountain, before the name of a sea or ocean, before the name of a monuments, and before the name of a holy books. Okay, we have a holy books before the name of a holy books. See, holy books. What are the holy books? The Ramayana. Okay, holy books, the Ramayana, the Bible, and the Quran. Okay, these are the holy books. Before the holy books we add the, okay, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran. Clear? Okay, and the next one is, yes, we said that the mountains, the hills, the rivers, and before the proper noun. Okay, clear? So these are the articles. Okay, then one point is there, and see here, when we say about the, when we talk about the specific person or place or animal or thing, that place we use the. Okay, for example, I write the, here it is, I write there suppose my sister wants a watch and an umbrella. Okay, here it is. So we use a and an. See, my sister wants a watch and an umbrella. एक वॉच भी, उसको एक अम्ब्रेला भी चाहिए. We use the articles and. Here see where we use this we use that one. See here, the watch, we given the important to watch and the umbrella. The watch and the umbrella that my sister brought for me. See the first sentence. See the first sentence. In a first sentence they said, my sister wants a watch and an umbrella. My sister को क्या चाहिए था? एक watch चाहिए, एक an umbrella चाहिए. We use the normal articles, that is a and an. See the next sentence. Here it is, they given the importance to watch and umbrella. सिस्टर को वॉच एंड अम्ब्रेला चाहिए था, एक वॉच चाहिए, एक अम्ब्रेला चाहिए. सो वी ऐड द एंड एन. ओके, हियर द वॉच एंड द अम्ब्रेला दैट माय सिस्टर ब्रॉट फॉर मी. ए वॉच एंड अम्ब्रेला किसके लिए मेरा सिस्टर लिया? मेरे लिए. ओके, वो स्पेसिफाई करके बोल दिया. They said the specifying the umbrella and means उसका sister she brought the umbrella and watch. My sister brought me. My sister purchased umbrella and watch. That watch and that umbrella for me. मेरे लिए. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस मेरा सिस्टर को एक वॉच एंड कोई भी एक वॉच एंड अम्ब्रेला चाहिए था. ओके, इसको स्पेसिफाइज नहीं, ये वॉच चाहिए वो वॉच नहीं, एक वॉच चाहिए एक अम्ब्रेला चाहिए. बट मेरा सिस्टर जाके खरीदा वाला, मेरा सिस्टर परचेज द वॉच एंड द अम्ब्रेला. एक वॉच भी अम्ब्रेला भी एक खरीदा है. She purchased already that watch and that umbrella for me. ये खरीदा वाला वो she purchased that one for me means वो वाला वो परचेस किया वाला वो मेरे लिए. So the in a second sentence they given the important specify the umbrella and watch. So we use the article the. Okay. This one is any watch or any umbrella. Okay, clear?